How to fix Microsoft Teams error caa20001 in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Clearing temporary data removes corrupted files that may interfere with Teams authentication and performance. If that didn't work, updating Windows ensures that compatibility issues are addressed and necessary system components function correctly with Teams. Running SFC scan repairs any corrupted system files that might be affecting Teams performance. DISM will fix image issues. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant is a helpful tool when having problems with Microsoft apps. Select Teams from the list and click Next. Pick I can't sign into Teams when asked to select the problem you are facing, then click Next. Follow the prompts to finalize the process.